Everyone is born with their third eye wide open. You need to understand that. We have been conditioned to use our third eye to run our physical life and to shun any other use, as well as that a third eye even exists. However, the third eye is used to run your physical life. It can also be used to run your spiritual life. Using the third eye spiritually and physically generates the power and magic of life. Few people know that they are born with their third eye open, nor how to access the spiritual to see and personally experience what exists beyond the physical while still in the body. The original teaching releases the esoteric knowledge which has been kept secret since the beginning, only passed on through oral occultic tradition. Until now, they have ruled over and controlled us with this esoteric knowledge, the third eye being the power and magic. And so they don't want you to know that